You can all see Auntie's screen? Thumbs up? Okay. Now, let me just remind you, just like in school, we have to raise our hand if you need to say something. Please don't just unmute and start talking, especially when Auntie is trying to explain. Very important, the first 5-10 minutes when I explain things. Okay. This side I painted because I had another class there. Anaya has come. Hold on. Hi Anaya. Guys, you have to join in time. Hi Naya. Come, sit. Hi, sit down, sit down. Okay, we are starting now. So I was just explaining that if we need to ask Auntie something, you're going to raise your hand just like in school and not interrupt me by unmuting. Fine? I have my screen on gallery so I can see everybody. This side I had painted in my previous class, so don't get worked up looking at this, but it also gives you an idea into what we're going to do for the entire painting. I want you all to look at your paint set. It can be watercolor, it can be poster color, it can be acrylic, Fevicryl, fine. Tubes, cakes, jars, all okay. Fine. Now, can you find lemon yellow and keep it out? Or something close to lemon yellow, do not unmute to say I don't have this, I don't have that. Anything that is close enough to lemon yellow or chrome yellow or cadmium yellow, some bright yellow, looks good whoever is holding up. Yes, Reva. Mirai, fine. Yes, Reva, fine. Pihu, fine. Tanvi, fine. Anaya, fine. Yes, Samana. Samana.
Okay, so I have these colors will do?
Yes, I just said jars, tubes, cakes.
Any will do, no? And
Yes.
which colors do we need?
Okay, now I'm going to get a little upset because I have just said lemon yellow. Yes or no? Did Auntie say lemon yellow or something close to this? So you will listen very carefully. You will shut all the questions in your mind. I am answering them without even asking. Yes, all those who are showing me, it's fine. Lemon yellow, ready. Green. We are looking for a very dull green, not a bright one. So a sap green or an olive green. Yes, Reva, that's fine. Green. Any green that looks like this. Yes, Mirai. Reva, that is fine. Yes, Samana, fine. Tanvi, what is it?
Ma'am, I don't have that color. I only have these two colors.
Yes. So look which is close to this. A dull green, not a bright one.
What about
Yes.
this?
Yes. Correct. Keep that aside. Okay, so two colors are done. We are looking for yellow ochre. Maybe, yes, Tanvi, that is fine. Reva, you will definitely have it in your set. Yellow ochre, yes, Mirai, very good. You see how Mirai is very quietly doing it. Samara, are you sorted with your colors? You seem very relaxed. Yes, you have all your colors? Yes, Tanvi, that's fine.
I have already seen Sia's class, so I have all my
You have all your colors, fine. Okay, yes, Reva. Okay, fourth color, yes, Reva. Fourth color, burnt Zina. It is a brown. Any brown in your box will do. Yes, Tanvi. Yes, Mirai. Burnt Zina, it's a brown. Any brown is fine. Yes, those who have shown me, it's fine. Tanvi, I said fine. Yes, Reva. Yeah. Okay, then black and white. I don't think I need to show you what black and white looks like, right? Black and white. Yes, keep it. Okay.
मेरा वाइट खत्म हो गया है
आप कोई दूसरे सेट से ले लो, पोस्टर कलर या कोई दूसरे से.
तो मैं ये वाला वाइट
Yes, yes, that's fine. Okay, now let me explain another thing very carefully. When we look at a tree or a bush in nature, can you tell me, is all the colors of the tree or bush the same color when you look at it with your eyes? No? Okay, we all agree no. So how does it look?
Miss,
Yes?
ma'am, most like on the bushes and trees have green, but they all are different shades of green.
Yes, very well said. So there are different shades of green, sometimes there are different shades of yellow. If it is autumn or fall time, then you have reds and lovely colors, right? Then we keep your hand down. Now, okay, fine, there are different shades. What about when it is during the day and the sunlight is hitting the plants? How about then? Yes, Reva?
कि जब सन होता है तो
हम्म।
सन की
रोशनी?
रोशनी जब उस पर पड़ती है तो
हम्म।
लाइटिश और लाइटिश ग्रीन हो जाता है थोड़ा
Light.
और वाइट हो जाता है
हाँ, पर पूरे ट्री पे हो जाता है? Does the entire tree become so light? No. So which part of the tree becomes light?
उसका ऊपर वाला
Upper wala. So the top part of the tree gets very light when it hits, when the sunlight hits it. And what about the bottom part?
डार्क
Dark, right? And what about the middle part? Anyone? The top is light, bottom is dark. What about in the middle? Is it suddenly dark and light? What is it in the middle? Yes, Reva?
both shades
Both shades, that is called medium, right? Fine. So in our painting, we are going to have light, medium, dark colors of the same color. Light, medium, dark. So if I take, say, a brown, okay, how can I make this color lighter? Anybody other than Reva who wants to try?
white
Yes, white or Pihu, you'll have to put one instrument on mute, I think. It's echoing. Yes, Samana? Samana?
you will add a white
Yes, white or which is the other color that you can use? Or you can add water, fine. What other color can you use?
what colors is the one you're showing
I'm showing brown.
yeah
If I make my brown light, yes, very good, Reva. You can either add water, you can add white, or you can add yellow. It will become lighter. What about green? How can we make green lighter? Mirai, do you want to try?
By adding light green.
I asked Mirai. Mirai, do you want to try? How can you make your green lighter?
Miss, yes, we can use who's white. Light green.
Lighter green. But if auntie is using this green and I have to use some colors that we have here, how can I make my green lighter? What can we add? Can we add some white maybe? You can get a light green. Or maybe we can add some yellow and we can get a light green. Correct? Okay. Now how can we make a dark green? We can add some black and make a dark green, or we can add some brown and make a dark green. Understood? Okay, we're going to start now. Let us start with green. Let us start with green. Take a little green in your palette. Everybody, and you will all stay on mute. There is nothing to ask. Just a little green in your palette. Add water, please. We want to keep our colors quite watery. So that is the green that we have. Take a medium sized brush.
Ma'am, I
Yeah.
don't have a palette.
Don't have a palette? Just ask mom for a plate. An old plate will do. Put green to your palette, add maybe 2-3 drops of water, keep it dilute. Okay? Now, we are going to, yes, no need to show me, it's fine. Now, we are going to add a little yellow, lemon yellow in the side palette. And to this lemon yellow, auntie is mixing a little bit of that same green. You see, it's become lighter. Correct? It's become lighter just by adding.
Ma'am, will this work?
Yes. If you add some lemon yellow to your green, it becomes light green. Fine. Now, how do we make dark green? So I'm going to get some black ready. Tanvi, stay on mute. I'm going to keep a little black, very little black you need. You don't need too much black. And I'm going to add some green to my black. Somebody is not on mute. And now I've got dark green. Oops. Green had white in it. Oops.
Ma'am,
Yes,
I
Tanvi.
mistakenly put too much water.
Okay, then put more paint. Yes, Reva?
कि मेरे पैलेट का येलो मैंने पानी मिला दिया, ग्रीन नहीं मिलाया, ठीक है ना?
येलो में पानी मिलाया, आपने ग्रीन नहीं बनाया?
नहीं, ग्रीन बनाया पर उसमें थोड़ा पानी मिला दिया मैंने, तो वो लाइट हो गया।
क्या ग्रीन लाइट हो गया?
नहीं,
येलो।
येलो।
तो येलो में थोड़ा ग्रीन लगा दो, just 1 drop of green to make light green. So see, I've got green, light green and dark green. Green, which is from the tube, light green by mixing lemon yellow, and dark green by mixing black. Green, light green, dark green. Fine. Are we ready with our 3 colors?
Miss, I'm ready. 1 minute.
Okay. Anaya, you ready with your 3 colors? Okay, good. Mirai, you ready? Samana, you ready with your colors? All right. Okay, we're going to start. How are we going to start? We are going to start with light green because light green is on the top of the tree, right? So please watch, everybody please watch. Auntie, don't start. No, you're not starting. We're only watching. Only watching. Auntie is soaking her brush. You see how much paint there is in my brush? There's a lot of paint and it's watery paint. Soaking my brush, and I'm just taking any tree of my liking. Pick any tree, you don't have to stick to the ones I'm doing. And I'm applying quite a lot of paint. Okay, quite a lot of paint till about 1/3. Then I am washing my brush, cleaning it. Please watch, don't need to do. Then I'm putting the normal green which we took from our tube, and I am touching this green, normal green, touching the light green, and I'm pulling it down. and I stop there, around there. So I've got light green, medium green, washing my brush, cleaning my brush, then dark green from below. The dark green is so dark, it's almost like black. And you see, it is all mixing together. How is it mixing? It is because there is enough water in Auntie's paint and there is enough paint in Auntie's brush. Otherwise, it will not mix. If you find that it is not mixing, take a dry brush and just pat between the colors so that it mixes. So it should not look like 3 different colors on a tree. It should have a nice gradual shading from light to dark. Okay, let's all try. Come. Any tree, any bush, doesn't matter which one.
मेरा आपसे थोड़ा अलग बनना है ग्रीन.
हाँ, आपने white मिलाया होगा.
हाँ,
कोई बात नहीं.
वाइट और पानी दोनों ही मिलाया.
Okay, okay. You can start, Reva. Soak your brush in paint. Put lots of paint on the paper. Dip again, everybody. Put lots of paint. Don't try to spread the paint. Just leave the paint. Yes?
Do I need to do green or can I do
You can do any other color. Yes, the same thing. You can start with brown.
I tried kind of like this. How's this?
The blending has to be better perhaps. Hold on, let me see. You have to blend the colors. I don't think there's enough water. You have to blend the colors. Take a brush, take another brush and blend it. Listen to me. Please listen.
I've used acrylics, so like the banana.
Doesn't matter. You can still blend in acrylics, but you need to put enough water. If there is not enough water, the color will not blend. If you finish green, you can do a yellow or a brown. See what you get.
मेरा हो रहा है ऐसे वाला.
Very good.
क्या ये ठीक है?
Hmm.
पर मैं उठाऊंगी नहीं.
You have to blend the colors. उसके लिए आपको सूखा ब्रश लेके बीच में dab करना पड़ेगा. Tanvi, you'll have to wait when auntie is speaking. What, Reva?
मेरा ऐसे ही हो रहा है ब्लेंड.
Very good, very good. That's because there is enough water. Good job. Yes, Tanvi?
It's not blending.
That's because there's not enough water in your paint. Please add lot of water. It will blend very easily.
Afterwards, shall I take a dry brush and paint
Yes.
it?
Yes, you can try that. The other thing to keep in mind is keep your water clean. If you need to go and change your water from time to time, do that.
मेरा हो गया एक, देख लो।
एक मिनट। यस रेवा, मुझे लग रहा है कि 3 मतलब अलग अलग दिख रहा है इधर से, तो आप हाँ ब्रश लेके हल्के हल्के हाथ से, रेवा हल्के हाथ से, आपका ब्रश गीला है, सूखा ब्रश, नो नो नॉट नॉट वेट ब्रश, टेक अ ड्राई ब्रश, हल्के हाथ से आप बस उसको डैब करोगे बीच में, हाँ यस गुड। अभी नीचे का, बिटवीन द डार्क एंड द मीडियम, हल्के हाथ से ब्रश
मैं
को पेंसिल की तरह पकड़ो।
एक मिनट।
Very good, Mirai. Continue. Good job. Mirai, now take another color like a maybe a yellow ochre, and you can mix white with it. Yes, Samana.
Yeah,
Samara.
I'm supposed to be blending like this.
Yes, it's better. The top is not done.
No, I just
Okay, fine, fine. Yeah, okay. How's it going, Pihu? Fine? Good. So the second one that I am doing, you can of course take any color and you can make your light and dark and mix it. Just use the colors that Auntie has given, these 6 colors. You can mix and match and make your light and dark and whatever, okay? The next one which I am doing is yellow ochre mixed with white and yellow ochre mixed with brown.
मेरा ना ये वाला ऐसे देखो एक बार, कि ना ये ऐसे बन गया थोड़ा सा।
Yes, it looks good, very good. Continue, Revatne, take the next tree.
पर ये तो ब्लेंड इतना हो गया कि वो दो कलर मिक्स हो गए।
That's okay, that's okay. Reva, now, okay, that goes for everybody. The next tree or bush that you pick, keep it far away. Why? Because the colors can get mixed up, no? Because it is wet. So take a tree which is far away or a bush that is far away. So jump.
मतलब यहाँ पर जैसे।
हाँ, दूसरे side पे. इसको सूखने दो. Let this one dry and then you can paint close to it.
मैम,
Yes?
should I add a little bit of water, do it with the plain brush?
Plain brush, you don't add water. You just take a dry brush and try to blend.
I've done like this.
Yes, take a dry brush and try to blend.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes?
ma'am, can you please spotlight the screen which you are working on?
I have, no? Oh, sorry.
Ma'am, I finished the tree. Has it blended nicely?
Yes, that looks fine.
Okay. Ma'am,
Yes.
Is this a good shade?
Yes, Tanvi. Just do a little better blending in between with a dry brush. Thank you.
Miss,
Yes.
it's not happening with the dry brush.
Okay, doesn't matter. Move on to the next tree. You will try again with the next tree. A different color, please. Either yellow or brown. Make a light shade, dark shade, and then apply.
ma'am,
Yes.
even for me, the dry
Miss,
brush
did you
wasn't
get the
working.
peach?
So I dabbed with the tissue. It worked really nice.
Okay, good.
Miss,
Yes, Pihu?
Miss, how did you get the peach color?
This one? That is brown.
Yes.
Brown, sorry, it's yellow ochre. That is this one. Mixed with white. And same yellow ochre mixed with brown.
Okay, so yellow ochre mixed with white and brown. Okay, thank you.
White for the top, brown for the bottom. So
Miss,
the,
which two colors had you said?
you can do any of your
Yellow
choice.
ochre
You tell me, Samana, how can we make yellow ochre lighter?
with white
Yes, and how can we make it darker?
with black.
Or brown?
Yeah.
So any color, you can either add white or yellow and make it lighter. Any color you can make darker by adding white or, sorry, black or brown. Okay? Understood? Okay, let's start.
दीदी वो मैक्सिमम में कितनी देर में सूखता है?
क्या watercolor?
हाँ ये वाला.
Depends. तो depends इसमें कितना पानी है.
वो तो बहुत ज्यादा डाल दिया.
If it has lot of water, it will take time to dry.
मुझसे ना थोड़े से ड्रॉप्स गिर गए थे तो मैंने थोड़ा वाइट कलर कर दिया.
Oh, okay, that's okay. Some small trees and bushes, you don't have to do 3 colors, you can just leave 1 color or you can do it in 2 colors.
मैं यही पूछने वाली
For the big ones, you can try to get dark, medium, light. But छोटे वाले के लिए एक कलर में या दो shades में कर सकते हो. And some trees you can have all the colors, some green, some yellow, some brown. So you have done one over here, which has got all the colors, little. But you have to keep your paint watery. Please add water to your paint, otherwise the color will not blend.
दीदी
हम्म
मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा मैं कौन सा कलर इसके बाद लूं ये
कोई भी.
पर नहीं समझ आ रहा क्योंकि वो क्या समझ नहीं आ रहा कि अगर मैं करूंगी तो ब्लेंड नहीं जैसी शेप नहीं आएगी जैसे
You can just do one color also, it's fine. Reva, hold your brush closer. नीचे पकड़ो. हाँ. Sorry. You were saying something, Reva? No, okay. Everybody keep your attention on the form. See to it that your paint is inside the lines and it is smooth. All your trees have to be smooth and even, not jagged and rough on the edges. Smooth होना है.
ये मेरा सेकंड बन गया।
Yes, very good. Now take another one. रेवा, आपके राइट साइड में थोड़ा और जगह है, आपको एक और ट्री बना सकते हो वैसे।
पर अब
राइट साइड में
मन
जगह है आपके लिए, एक बुश और एक ट्री के लिए।
मेरा अभी मन नहीं है।
मन नहीं है, ओके फाइन। Mirai, very nice, Mirai. Mirai, that brown and yellow one, try to blend it a little better. The second one. Good job. Yes, Samara. Continue. Blending needs to be better.
Miss, can you see mine?
Hold on. Yes, Pihu, it's fine. The blending is very good. Keep it within the line. It's getting out a little bit. So be
Okay.
careful with that. Otherwise, very good blending. Yes, Samana.
I've done it here, so it looks good. तो पेंट के साथ ये बना
Yeah, looks fine. Samana looks fine.
मेरे को मुझे दिख अच्छा
Okay, somebody is
अपने थोड़ा हेड पर
on
अरे
mute.
doesn't look like shabby or that the colors are not mixed or anything, no?
I leave it to you how you want to work on it or improve. Okay, I want you all to stop your work right now. Everybody keep your brushes down. Everyone put your brushes down, please. I need to show you the background. Come. Stop your work, everyone. Please just watch. Okay? Only watching, not doing. Just watch. For the background, we need the color deep blue. So it can be a Prussian blue or an ultramarine blue or any dark blue that you have. Okay? So you can identify it and keep it out. No need to say and or show me. You know what dark means. It's dark. And to this blue, I am adding a lot of water and I'm mixing and I'm keeping it ready. Okay, maybe 3-4 drops of water. I'm keeping the paint quite dark. It's a very dark blue. It looks almost like black. Prussian blue it's called. If you don't have Prussian blue, an ultramarine blue or any dark blue. Okay, now I have mixed it. I'm keeping this brush down. I'm going to take another brush, a clean brush, and just plain water. Clean brush, plain water. First, what I'm going to do is section by section, so small spaces. Okay, let me just zoom, hold on. So small spaces at a time, I'm going to add the water. So maybe 2-3 inches of space, just a small space. Everybody watch, no need to paint. Auntie is painting only with clean water. So please go change your water before you start this. And I am painting right next to the trees. Just plain water. I have wet the paper. Okay. Now I'm going to take the blue that I have mixed earlier and I'm going to just drop it. I'm only dropping it by the side of the trees like that, and the rest of it is going to be carried by the water. So the paint has to be dropped just by the side of the trees and the rest of it is carried by the water. It has to bleed. The color has to bleed. So for that, the paper has to be wet. Okay, I want you all to try. First, get the blue ready. Yes, Reva?
क्या ये हमें एकदम अभी करना पड़ेगा या
नहीं,
हम
आप अगर आपने देखा है और आपने समझ लिया, आपको समझ लिया, so it's fine. But if you want to try it now and if you have any trouble, then I can help you, ना?
ओके और सेकंड बात ये है कि मुझे ये नहीं समझ आया कि आपने पानी लगाया या नहीं
हाँ,
लगाया क्योंकि मैं
पानी लगाया, देखो,
मतलब
पानी लगाया. I'm going to do it again, Reva. You can watch. So you have to apply water only on small places. Don't apply on the full space in the background. सिर्फ छोटे छोटे जगह पे आपको पानी लगाना है. Why? Because it will dry up otherwise. बहुत जल्दी सूख जाता है ना पानी. Fine. So auntie has put so much water अभी के लिए जहाँ पे मेरे उंगलियाँ हैं. And then I am just dropping the paint like that. You see?
अगर डार्क कोई जगह डार्क कोई नहीं हो तो वो कोई बात नहीं.
हाँ हाँ, अगर ऐसे वाइट स्पेसेस है तो वो कोई बात नहीं. बट ट्रीज के जो आजू बाजू में है वो एकदम डार्क होना है. Spaces just next to the trees and the bushes have to be very dark. Okay? Okay, let's all try. So if you have any difficulty, then you can ask me. Also, the spaces in between the trees should also be blue. Okay, the spaces, the small spaces that are left in between, you can paint that also blue.
कैसे खाओगे मीठे साथ.
Has everybody understood? Do you need me to repeat? Good. Yes, Samana.
Miss, is this blue okay? Just
Yes, yes, that's
this
fine.
blue okay?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Don't put too much water, just enough to wet the paper. If you put too much water, then the entire paper will just turn blue. You won't get that lovely spreading, marbling effect at the side otherwise. You want this lovely effect to happen, you know, this sort of thing whether it is spreading into the water, into the paper. Just by the side of the trees, it should be dark blue. If you want, you can do it now. If you want, you can do it later. It's fine, but as long as you've understood, I will share the recording as well so you can have a look. When you're doing the trees, when you're doing the blue, careful it doesn't go into the trees. Keep it out of the trees. Don't lose the shape of the trees. Samana, take a thicker brush. It's too small. Samana, take a bigger brush. It's too thin. Reva, that's looking fine. Mirai, hold your brush a little lower, please. Hold it at the metal part.
This brush will do.
Yes. Good, Reva, that's fine. Pihu, is it working out? The blue? Good. Don't lift it up. Nobody lift up your paintings right now. It's very wet. Anaya, how's it going? Okay. Have you started the blue? You need to drop the blue right next to the trees, not, is it next to the tree? Yeah, okay. Yes, that's fine. That's fine, Samara.
Oh.
Yeah, it's become all one color. I think there's too much water on your paper. So you need to maybe reduce a little bit of the water in your paper. Put less put less water when you wet the paper. Okay. Mirai, hold the brush little lower, please. Yes. Not so low also. Just at the metal part, at the silver part. Tanvi, fine. Is it working out well, the blue? Okay. Continue. Mirai, just do small sections at a time because the paper will dry up very soon. So just do 2-3 inches at a time. Don't do the whole background. Okay? Small places at a time. And you have to you have to dilute your paint, Mirai. Yes. Very good. Paint right next to the trees, everyone. If it is not spreading, it means either the water has dried up on your paper or there is not enough water in your paint. And I think it's working out for everybody.
मेरे कोई वो चीज गीले हैं इसलिए मैं क्या बाद में कर लूं उसका है
हाँ हाँ बाद में कर सकते हो जहाँ पे रुका है आप रुक सकते हो then you can paint the trees. Okay. Mirai, you can put a bit more blue into the sky. There's a lot of white space. Huh? Samana, you're not painting? Hold the brush a little lower, please.
Ma'am, the tree which is on the left side, that this no after that tree, the no up no
This
left, yeah, yes. So how have you done the black?
I mixed black with the yellow, lemon yellow and black, just two colors. So your homework for this week is to complete this entire painting, there should be no tree, branch, background that is left white. Of course, a little bit of the sky can be white, is fine. But most of the spaces should be filled. Reva, sun rahe ho? This is your homework for the week, to finish this painting with the background sky, trees, branches. Okay. Next week we are going to finish it. This is not finished. This is only the first layer. We have to give detailing and we have to finish it next week.
आप दिखा सकते हो कैसा बनेगा?
हाँ, मैं दिखा सकती हूँ. Okay. ऐसा दिखेगा. One second. Just move this. Hold on. Okay, so next week we are going to do the branches and the trees and some lines and some dots and so on. Okay, it's all the detailed work with a thin brush or with a marker pen. I will put it on the group what instruments need to be brought, but it is just giving the branches and details. There's nothing else. Otherwise, the background is what you are painting right now.
जो आपने वो करी है सीधी सीधी लाइंस वो आप इन ब्रश से करी है क्या?
हाँ, मैंने तो थिन ब्रश से किया है, पर आपके जो क्लास के लिए मैंने मार्कर भी बोला है, तो आप मार्कर लेके आ सकते हो, जो पिछले क्लास में आपने यूज़ किया था ना, जो जेंटैंगल के लिए.
मैंने मार्कर तो नहीं यूज करा था, मैंने स्केच पेन
हाँ, स्केच पेन. ओके, यू कैन यूज़ ईदर स्केच पेन और मार्कर. ठीक है, because it is a little difficult to get thin lines with a brush. Auntie has done it with a brush, but you can use a marker or you can even use a white pen if you have.
मिस
Yes, Pihu?
can I show you my stone wall?
You sent, Mummy has sent me the picture. It was really good. Very, very good. In fact, Ani also sent me. But if you want to show, you can show. She was so proud of your work. Oh, there we are. So good. Everybody did a fabulous job. Whoever shared with me did a very good job of the stone wall. So thank you for spending time. Really good. Thank you. Reva had shared also a beautiful one. And who else shared? Can't remember now. Okay.
आपकी वाले में बस एक एक था, मैंने एक पैटर्न में दो चीजें बनाई थी.
That's okay.
भरा भरा लग रहा.
Yeah. Okay, anything to ask me for today's class? Related to today's class, is there any doubt? Anything anybody wants to ask or say? Yes, Samana?
That how will I complete the full thing if I'll not be able to see the screen?
Can you not see it now?
Yes, but I can see it now. But when I have to do, when class will end and I have to finish this, then how will I see it?
Has Auntie not explained how to paint the rest of the painting?
Yes, but if I don't remember, then
So there is going to be a recording that is shared, and there is also going to be a picture of this artwork that's going to be shared. Like every class, Auntie shares a recording and the picture. Hold the brush lower, please, Samana. But my instruction in class should be enough to get you to finish it. But of course, if you are in doubt, you can always go back and replay the class recording. Mirai, good job. Top corner, top right corner is missing a paint. Yes, good job. I think the the paper has dried up there.
Miss, can you check mine?
Yes. Lovely, very neat job. Anaya, I would have liked to have seen a bit darker blue closer to the trees. If you want, you can try and do that right now when your paper is wet. Just drop darker blue closer to the trees. Otherwise, it's a very neat job. Very good.
Thank you, Miss. आप मेरा देख सकते हो?
हाँ, आप कहाँ हो? Yes, Reva. Very good. Very good. Good. Looks like everybody has understood. Yes, Pihu, you're back.
आपने रेड कैसे बनाया? क्योंकि आपने रेड बनाया है, आपने कहा था कि जितने कलर मैंने दिया आप उनसे कर सकते हो.
रेड नहीं है, ये ब्राउन है. मेरा ब्राउन शायद इस कैमरा और लाइट के साथ रेड दिख रहा है, पर ये सीधा ब्राउन है. जस्ट प्लेन ब्राउन. बर्न सीना.
दे सकती हूँ?
बर्न सीना. ओ सॉरी.
क्या मैं दे सकती हूँ रेड?
रेड लेना है, ठीक है, आप रेड ले सकते हो.
आप कह रहे थे ना कि उतना ही दे सकते हैं जितना आप.
अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप रेड ले सकते हो, बट डोंट टेक क्रिम्सन बिकॉज वो पिंक हो जाएगा. रेड का प्रॉब्लम ये है कि वो पिंक हो जाता है कभी कभी. सो जस्ट बी केयरफुल. मे बी यू कैन ऐड लिटिल ब्राउन टू योर रेड.
ये ना.
Pihu, do you want to ask me something? No, you're okay. Fine. Are we good to go?
No.
Yeah. I can hear you, see you. All right. I'll see you all next week when we will finish this painting. Okay? Okay. Bye, ladies. Thank you.